Hello, I'm Rachel Wiest with Triangle MLS, and I'm here to talk with Stacy Anfinson. Hello, Stacy.
Hello, Rachel. It's December. It's a little chilly outside, so we've decided to come inside this month and do our shoot, and we've got the Good Luck Charlie Brown Christmas tree for us.
Exactly. Nice touch. It brings me back to my Minnesota roots.
Yes.
So we're here to talk about November. Tell us, Stacy, what do the market analytics show us for the month of November?
Well, once again, another great month. As you've watched all the videos this month, it's the same thing we're saying again. If you look at the graph up there, number of houses that came on the market is down 3.4%. So if you look at the trend line, as you've seen since January, and look at the closed sales coming up on the graph, up 28%. That's really strong.
That's very strong.
This time last year obviously wasn't a good month, but whenever you increase something by 28%, that's really strong for the market.
Oh, I agree. I agree. Any other indications that the market is continuing to do
well? In case we thought things were cooling off, they're really not, because the two areas that we look at in terms of what is the market going to do in the future, one is showings and one is pendings. And the showing numbers were up 15.5% compared to November of this year, comparing November of this year with November of last year. Pending sales were up 21% comparing November of this year versus November of last year. So both of those would indicate that we're going to have a strong closing month in December and a strong closing month in January.
Excellent news. Excellent news. It's always good to finish the year out strong.
Yes, it is. So Santa's, we've all been nice this year, so hopefully lots of presents, no coal. Hopefully a Christmas tree is a little bit more fuller than Charlie Brown over here.
And not too much snow either.
Right.
Well, okay. So we also would like to hear what's happening with the overall average price.
Yeah, well, you know, when you talk about average price, there's a lot of things that go onto it. Is it the average sales price, is it the median price? People are really concerned in terms of what they paid for the house and what they can sell it for. Those numbers are always lagging, but the number that's out there every month is either the average sales price or the median sales price. And if you look at the graph that's on the screen right now, the average sales price overall is up 6.7%, and the average sales price of a resale was up overall. Now remember, that's comparing November data of this year with November data of last year. It doesn't necessarily mean that if you bought a house in November a year ago that you're going to be able to sell it for 7% more this year. But it is one of those metrics that we look at in terms of this is a positive for house prices when you see either the average or the median price go up.
Excellent. It certainly does indicate that there is growing confidence. Excellent. Okay, so we also usually take a look at days on market.
And a continuance of a trend again. It was up last year compared to 2011 versus 2010 for the most part. In 2012 versus 2011, the days on the market has been down. For November of this year, it was 114 days compared to 129 days in November of 2011. So that's a trend that we would continue to expect to see during the December of this year and the first quarter of next year.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, this seems like all good news.
And we'll wrap it up by announcing the winner of the question last month. It was Lisa McQuillan. Lisa, congratulations. You got the correct answer, and you were selected out of the thousands of entrants that we had. All right, so the question this month that you have to go into the report and research, we're going to tell you where it's located. It's located in the table on page 9, which is the last page. So you're going to have to read pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to get to it. But the question is how many year-to-date closings are reported in Durham County in the table on the bottom of page 9. So I told you where it was twice. We're looking for the year-to-date reported closed sales for Durham County. Now, once you've researched that, you've got the correct answer. You got a broadcast email that stated this video is online. There is a link on there that you click to, and you submit your answer then. Then your answer, the correct one hopefully, will be submitted with all the other ones that are correct. Your name will be pulled out of the hat, and you will receive the gift card.
Excellent. Excellent. So we're going to close and say thank you very much for joining us. Hope you have a safe and happy holiday, and we will see you next year when we talk about fourth quarter 2012.
Yes, we will. Merry Christmas.